Okay, so a painting business near me went out of business, and retirement was the issue. Um, they left behind these painting sawhorses, and as you can see, there's a lot of paint on these sawhorses. But the nice thing was they were super wide and they were pretty well sealed. You can see the bottom's getting wicking some water, but I think they're Douglas fir, and so they're pretty tough stuff. But what I did recently was I wanted to tack on some sacrificial 2x2s. I thought 2x4s, but these were really warped. So I found some straight pieces. This one's actually got a little bit of a twist. But what I did was I just drilled right through partway into this top plate here, this 2x4, and then I just put a quarter-inch dowel in there. And so this one's holding on pretty tight because it's been swelling up with the rain. And obviously these aren't going to last forever in the rain, but the whole idea is I leave these outside, and so they're ready to go whenever I need them to do stuff in my driveway. So you just drill right through the top, part way into this, put a pin in there, and then do the same thing. Drill down through, part way into the next, and then they're pretty well locked down there. So I also wanted some cleaner wood because I'm going to put a tabletop on here. I'm going to cut that in a little bit. But yeah, if you're kind of wondering for a quick, simple way just to put something on here, so if you do go through, you don't want to use fasteners like nails or screws, because if you're in a hurry and you decide to move your piece over, somebody else is using this, and you're thinking, yeah, I know to cut in this area because there's a nail and a screw or something like that. If they run over and wreck your blade, you're not going to be happy. So anyways, it's a simple, basic thing, but now they're outfitted with it, and I don't have to worry about it, and I can drop a nice, clean tabletop on.